In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm expecting the price of HLBZ to do, exactly what I'm expecting to go, and let's get right into the video. Disclaimer, nothing on the channel constitutes financial or professional advice. Everything is my personal thought and opinion. Now, going back into the video, these were my previous predictions. Beautiful. We can see how beautiful this prediction was right here. If you want to know the proof, this is the proof. This is my previous video, right? Just zooming in. So I don't want to waste your time, right? Just want to bring the video up where I made the actual prediction. There you go. We're sitting at 33 cents. To the price lower than that. Now we're sitting at 30 cents because we went back up. And now what's my prediction with HLBZ? So we mitigated some supply areas. I'm genuinely still expecting a lot of bearish moves to come in to just do a little long like this. Now let me know your thoughts on it.